correct me.
You didn't do a bad job.
You haven't seen anything yet. Get me customers. Your friends are like getting married.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I'm just reducing my voice because my mom is about to do my makeup and I wanted to do my intro before she comes. So she's going to do her best on my face. Please note that my mom is not a professional makeup artist, so nobody should come in the comments and say, oh, she didn't do this like this, she did not do this like this. I will block you because I have zero tolerance when it comes to people being rude to my family members, okay? So yeah, I just wanted her to do my makeup and just feel good because I always do her makeup. So today I'm allowing her to do anything she wants on my face. You guys are going to see the whole process and we'll be gisting as she does it. If you're excited to see that part of this video, then keep on watching. My mom is here now. Mom, introduce yourself. I've already done an intro.
Oh, my name is Mrs. Chira. I am Chantel's mom.
Yeah, so she'll be doing my
mom for life.
Mom for life. So she'll be doing my makeup today, like I already told you guys. Mommy, anything you want, just tell me. I've arranged them accordingly here for you. So yeah, these are eye brushes. I put them in this container, and these are face brushes. Okay? Just do with me whatever you wish.
I will do with you whatever I will.
Whatever you will, I say. Yeah. You guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And let's just start. So mommy, I've moisturized my face, and you know that the first thing, I'm not supposed to be telling you this step, but the first thing you're supposed to do is to prime. So this is the primer I use, take.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we go. I also have my mirror here. Am I permitted to look at the mirror while you're walking? This is the first time this is happening. You've never touched my face before.
I know.
Mommy, don't sorry.
Don't do what?
You're touching my hair with the primer.
No, it's not touching your hair.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Don't correct me.
Your hands are so gentle. Now I just said gentle. You want to now come out to my boots?
Alright. I will never hurt you.
Oh.
Don't do anything that would hurt you. You know you're precious to me. Hi,
mommy, I'm rubbing this thing on the eye. I have his own primer now.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, sorry. Your own makeup academy. Okay, so primer is done. We're getting somewhere. What next do you want? My foundation. Okay, so this is the foundation I use. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth, guys. This is in the shade 355 Coconut. Let me help you and open it. See my foundation brush. Do you want brush or beauty blending sponge?
Let me.
Okay, so you apply with the brush
first.
Now put it at the back of your.
I usually pour it. I don't take direct from the bottle.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. No, is that enough?
Let me start. I don't want it to mess.
Okay.
Oh.
Hands are so gentle. I don't feel like anything is happening on my face. Why is it that every time I say talk about gentle, something will happen?
It goes off.
Mommy, I like that you're not using a lot of foundation.
I don't.
Yeah. While growing up, did you guys have foundation?
Foundation has always been there. It's just that we didn't know the difference
in shades.
And you apply powder. If you want to apply powder, you do that and go to where you're going.
Okay, so you don't do foundation first.
Foundation.
What brands do they have then?
I can't remember, but
there are a lot. Okay.
Many.
I thought foundation just came out in my generation.
No, it's always been there.
Okay, yeah, brands like Estee Lauder have been there for a while. So, yeah.
Even MAC. MAC has always been my favorite.
I was going to ask you your favorite makeup brand, and I know it's MAC. So,
MAC.
Yeah. My mom has always been using MAC before I even knew what MAC was.
Studio Fix used to be the foundation. Because
like cream to powder.
Yes. Then
remember my first colored eyeliner was MAC that you bought for me. I remember that green eyeliner that when you travel, you say someone MAC girl in the shop and it was on her eyes. I asked her, what's this thing on your eye?
She showed it to me and said, can I pay for it? She said, sure.
I still had that thing until a few years ago. I don't even know where I trashed it. Where I was decluttering. So making no, I don't use expired.
No, you don't use makeup that is expired. You don't use one makeup for too long. That's one thing people don't know about. You see people, they fill up their makeup bag with all brands of makeups, and they don't
dispose of them. Well, true.
Some over 6 years, 5 years.
I'm guilty sometimes, but I give out a lot, so it doesn't really get to 5 years, but 3 years.
And it gives rashes when you use expired products.
Oh yes. But all these makeup brands don't have the expiry date on the product, so how are we supposed to know? There's a rule of thumb for this.
They don't usually make those ones that will expire today, tomorrow.
See how she's taking her time. Makeup artist extraordinaire.
You think it's only you? You think it's only your generation that
can do it? But not everybody in my generation. It's just those that have the flair for it, like me now that went to makeup school and all of that. Oh guys, talking about makeup school, let me give you a story. Mama, do you know what I'll tell them? There was a time that when I went to makeup school, I was trying to build my box, so I now bought one box from Amazon. Then my mom was in the US.
Buy a big box. That's not an idea.
Because of the stress I put her through with that box, I refused to give that box out. It's still here. My pink makeup box, very fine. It's a trolley box, so cute, very girly. And I sent it to the house where she was for her to bring it back. When my mother came back, she won the shit out of me. Like, next time, don't try
you ever.
I can remember her what she said.
Because I had to log.
She now had to use her hand luggage because she was her things were so much. I remember how your words when you said the next time I'm going to throw it into Atlantic Ocean.
No, I'll not bring it back here. Why would you buy a thing like that?
I did not know.
And it was heavy.
It was so heavy. That box is so heavy.
And people were like, "Oh, I love your makeup bags." Everybody at the airport, in the aircraft.
Foundation is done. What next you want to do?
You should
eyeshadow or powder.
Well, how about
my brows?
Brows
first. Brows first. Sorry.
You know I know what I'm doing.
Oh yes. Sorry. See my brow pencil. That's one type of makeup. One makeup product that you cannot go a day without using. Even on days when you don't want to do serious makeup, you must have that on.
I think it's lipstick.
Oh, okay. Lipstick. One makeup product I cannot go without, even though I'm not doing makeup, is lip balm. I hate dry, crusty lips. I'm already envisaging these brows. God. I can feel it in my spirit that
it's going to be bam bam.
Ooh, brows are on. Mommy, let me just speak. You didn't do a bad job.
You haven't seen anything yet. I haven't seen nothing.
You did not do a bad job, to be honest. What next do you want?
Maybe your
my concealer to clean the brows. Okay. And my mom knows all the steps, so my concealer. This is the what do they call her? LA Girl. And this is the brush I use. This one I use it for underneath. It's almost finished, but something still comes out. Something has been coming out for up to 1 year now.
Now that I
so for on top because it's bigger. So meticulous. Yeah, she's holding it. Oh yeah.
I want to wear something. The brow.
I can't even remember when I started applying makeup. Mom, can you remember?
When you were in university.
I think it's university. I did not apply makeup early. I used to have very fresh skin, guys, like no spots whatsoever. So I was feeling myself then. I'll just rub white powder and lip balm,
and
move. I feel like it's even when I start applying makeup now, wahala started. What next?
What kind of wahala?
Like these spots now.
Okay.
What next?
You know when the pores are clogged up with too much
product,
foundation, powder,
all sorts.
All sorts.
My eyeshadow primer is the P. Louise base. So you want eyeshadow brush. My eyeshadow. We'll be using the Perception palette by Colourpop and Makeup Sheila. So here you go.
What colors do you want?
It's your thing. I don't know. Do you?
I'll do the shade of your
my this thing.
Yeah.
The graphic of my t-shirt. Oh.
Or should I apply the two gold? Okay.
Do you see another brush if you want? We have surplus brushes. So you're done with eyeshadow, yeah? What next? Powder.
Powder. But I should have made. Anyway, it's still okay.
You want to do what?
Powder first before eyeshadow. But
Oh,
it's still
okay, it's fine. So that everything will be married
blend
together.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not my powder. That's my blood powder. That's my powder. Here. This is my powder brush. Like my powder is the MAC Studio Finish.
NW43?
No, 45.
Oh. For bronze colors.
You use 43.
Because I'm lighter.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, you're done with powder.
Where is your blush and everything?
Okay. Let me bring out my highlighter so that you have it at hand. Just smile. But what's one makeup that when you see people, one makeup item that when you see people go overboard with it, you just shake your head?
Blush.
You don't like too much blush. Rosy cheeks. That's what they used to call it.
Rosy cheeks. I remember. It's too much.
You don't know if it's too much. I'm not telling you anything. Just do with me as you will. Like I said in the beginning of the video. I come out looking
like a masquerade.
Oh, no. Okay. We're done with that now.
Okay. Where's the lipstick?
You have not put mascara on my eye now. Mascara.
Oh, did I not?
You did not.
Wow. And eyeliner. You don't have liner.
Mommy, do this for please. Before you remove my eyeballs. I don't have eyeliner for inside the eyes. No, I don't use those things again because my eyes are always watering. I don't trust anybody with my lower lashes. You're the first person I'm allowing to do this. Because my eyes are important. So lipstick, what color do you want?
You do
that. I have a nude lip gloss. You want to line the lip first?
I don't like that makeup.
That lining of lips. You know you have small lips so you don't need lining, but people like me need lining.
To get the size of your...
Kind of reduce it. This lip gloss is my favorite. It's from NYX and it's their lip gloss in, I believe, Ginger Snap. Yeah. I love NYX lip glosses.
Give me the lip liner. Let me just...
This is my Colourpop lip liner in the FF3. It's coming out since. It looks so ratchet.
I don't think you have enough of this thing.
That is it. So you have to seal everything now with Fix Plus. Fix Plus. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Yeah, Mom is okay. Jesus.
I wanted to seal up.
You wanted to seal up. You guys, this is the final look. Let me come closer to the camera so you can see. This is the final look. It's not bad at all. It's not bad. Mommy, I'll give you.
Get me customers. Your friends are like getting married. Let them call me. Let them invite me to come and make them up. Not an amateur makeup artist.
Y'all should rate her work in the comment section. I think I'll give her a 7. She did not do bad at all. She did above average in my books. I'm not being biased in any way, but I feel like she did really well.
Why not 9?
Mommy, take 7.
You will do all my customers will run away.
No, they'll rate you in the comments now. Please, our customers don't run away.
Please don't run away. Why is she rating me 7 when I'm expecting 9 from her?
Oh yeah, rate yourself.
9.5.
Oh my god!
I don't want to give myself 10.
10, okay.
Yeah,
okay, you don't have to be so consistent.
So that they will come on their wedding days, traditional marriage days, child education.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
even on Sundays.
Oh, even Sundays.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. This was just a video that I thought of this morning and I begged her, I said, Mommy, please. Oh, yesterday actually. So, Mommy, please do my makeup, and she agreed. So, thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much for coming on my channel again. We have a video that we filmed before. I'll leave it in the cards, and if you haven't caught up, you can go do that now. If you haven't subscribed till now, what are you waiting for? Please, like I always say, please, darling, help me.
Please help her.
You see,
do that for her.
Thank you so
much.
We're almost at 8K. Thank you, you guys. Thank you so much. And my returnees, you guys are the best. Thank you. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.